Holistic healing is a form of healing that considers the whole person, body, mind, spirit, and emotions in the quest for optimal health and wellness. It emphasizes the connection between all aspects of an individual's well-being. The benefits of holistic healing include improved physical health, mental clarity, emotional balance, and spiritual growth. This approach is gaining popularity as more people seek alternative and complementary ways to address health issues and promote overall well-being. There are various modalities in holistic healing, including acupuncture, aromatherapy, and chiropractic care. Acupuncture involves the insertion of thin needles into specific points on the body to promote energy flow and alleviate pain. Aromatherapy uses essential oils to enhance physical and psychological well-being through inhalation or topical application. Chiropractic care focuses on the alignment of the spine to improve overall health and relieve musculoskeletal issues. Each modality works uniquely to restore balance, address ailments, and enhance overall well-being. Incorporating holistic healing practices into your daily routine can be achieved by starting with small steps such as meditation, healthy eating, and mindfulness exercises. Creating a sacred space for self-care and relaxation can also enhance your holistic healing journey. When seeking a qualified holistic healer or practitioner, it's important to do thorough research, read reviews, and ask for recommendations. Look for certifications, experience, and a personalized approach to ensure you receive effective and safe holistic treatments. Holistic healing recognizes the interconnectedness of mind, body, and spirit, understanding that these elements are inextricably linked to overall well-being. Techniques such as meditation, yoga, energy healing, and mindfulness practices are used to balance and align these aspects for optimal health. By addressing mental, physical, and spiritual needs simultaneously, holistic healing aims to achieve harmony and wholeness within the individual. This integrated approach promotes healing on multiple levels and encourages self-awareness and personal growth. Embarking on a holistic healing journey as a beginner involves taking simple steps such as setting intentions, exploring various modalities, and keeping a journal to track progress and experiences. It's essential to listen to your body and intuition and gradually incorporate holistic practices into your lifestyle. For those interested in delving deeper into holistic healing, there are abundant resources available, including books, online courses, workshops, and local healing centers. Seeking guidance from experienced practitioners can also provide valuable insights and support on your holistic healing path.